In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First, open Settings and scroll all the way down to choose Google. Now choose All Services right next to Recommended, and then scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google. Following that, click on Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password. If you don't see it, just like I don't have it, don't worry, that only means that you never added a password before. To fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner and make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on. It happens because you need at least one password in order to add another one manually in Settings. So let's get it. You can leave Settings open in the background or go back to them, and then open any app or any website that requires an account. Log in, and once you do, wait for the pop-up to show. When you see it, hit Save at the bottom right corner and go back to Settings to tap on Google Password Manager again. As you can see, my password was successfully added, and with it, I can see Add Password option. So now, let's add it manually. Hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website, or click on Select App and click on a chosen one. Now, input your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!